Welcome to Alpha Review, the place where we dissect the legends of the road and the icons of design history. Today, we are stepping into a time machine, a sleek, aerodynamic, and revolutionary piece of Americana that changed the way the world looked at travel. I am talking about the GMC Motorhome, but not just any GMC. We are looking at a meticulously maintained, vibrant yellow specimen that defies its age and captures the imagination of every passerby. The GMC Motorhome remains one of the most unique vehicles ever produced by an American automaker. While every other motorhome of its era was built on a truck chassis with a boxy, wooden frame slapped on the back, General Motors decided to do something radical. They didn't just build a camper, they built a high-performance, front-wheel drive lounge on wheels. It was designed from the ground up by the same engineers who were crafting the luxury cars of the 70s, and it shows in every curve of its fiberglass and aluminum body. As we stand outside this stunning yellow unit, the first thing that strikes you is the silhouette. It's low, it's lean, and it looks like it's moving even when it's standing still. That vibrant yellow paint job highlights the iconic black Z-stripe that cuts across the side panels, a design choice that emphasizes the vehicle's length and its futuristic aesthetic. This isn't just a vehicle for camping, it's a statement of style. The chrome bumpers are polished to a mirror finish, reflecting the world around it, and the tandem rear wheels, one of the GMC's most famous features, sit tucked neatly under the bodywork. The tandem wheels aren't just for show. Because this is a front-wheel drive vehicle, powered by the massive 455 cubic inch Oldsmobile Toronado V8, there is no driveshaft running to the back. This allowed the engineers to drop the floor significantly lower than any of its competitors. When you walk up to the door, you aren't climbing a mountain to get inside. You're stepping into a space that feels grounded, stable, and surprisingly spacious. Let's take a walk around to the rear. Notice how the body tapers slightly, improving the aerodynamics that were light years ahead of the brick-shaped rivals of the 1970s. The rear ladder leads up to a roof rack, perfect for extra gear, while the massive rear window provides the driver with a level of visibility unheard of in a vehicle of this size. It's a masterclass in industrial design, blending the utility of a bus with the elegance of a personal luxury car. Now, let's step inside and see where the magic really happens. Opening the door of this GMC is like opening a portal to a more optimistic era. The interior we're looking at today is a beautiful blend of period-correct charm and modern refinement. The first thing you notice is the light. Large, panoramic windows wrap around the entire living area, washing the space in natural sunlight and making the cabin feel twice as large as it actually is. The layout is a classic side bath configuration, which maximizes the social space. To your left, we have the dinette. The upholstery features a retro-inspired striped pattern that echoes the yellow and earth tones of the exterior. It's the perfect spot for a morning coffee or a roadmap strategy session. Opposite the dinette is the galley, and it is a marvel of efficiency. We have a stainless steel sink, a multi-burner stove, and plenty of counter space for preparing meals on the go. The cabinetry is finished in a warm, light wood grain that keeps the interior feeling airy and bright, rather than cramped and dark like many vintage RV. The engineering under the floor is just as impressive as the decor. The air suspension system ensures that even on bumpy backroads, the ride remains supple and car-like. It's the kind of vehicle you can drive for 8 hours and still feel fresh enough to enjoy the campfire at the end of the day. This GMC Motorhome represents a peak in American manufacturing, a time when we weren't afraid to rethink everything to create something better. It's a cult classic for a reason. It's not just about the destination, it's about the elegance of the journey. In this yellow beauty, the journey is everything. Next step. Would you like me to generate a specifications table for this GMC Motorhome, or perhaps a list of pros and cons for owning a vintage RV like this?